Guys, we're going to start by joining two popsicle sticks together. So guys, this is our measurement and you can do it according to your own measurements, but there should be three sizes: big, medium and small.
And you also 6.
And then you can make 6 big, 6 medium and 6 small according to the size of your Christmas tree, of course. I'm going to cut 3 strips horizontally, 3 strips vertically, and you're going to cut extra strips. And then what are we going to do is we're going to cut those vertical strips into half to make 3 small strips. Guys, you could take any color jewel, any type of jewel you want. We're using it this side, like this type of a jewel, which is pinky and a little glittery. You can use anything you want. You can adjust with the size of a Christmas tree, but you should remember that there should be always 3 layers: big, medium and small. And we're supposed to make folds like so, and we're going to make it like a small tutu skirt. And we're going to use our needle, and if you're a kid and doing this, please do it in the supervision of an adult. It's a really simple craft which looks really awesome at the end. Now we're going to pull our thread a little up so that the folds can be seen neatly. And now we're going to join these two ends together, or sew these two ends together. I'm going to make 3 skirts like this of large, 3 of medium and 3 of small. Take a bottle cap and now I'm wrapping it in aluminum foil. And then we're going to put a piece of thermocol inside it. And I'm going to attach our tree inside it. Or our popsicle stick. So guys, now I'm going to be sticking our popsicle stick, which we made by jointing 2 popsicle sticks on the thermocol. I'm going to put a load of glue to secure it.
This is also glue.
I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the lid. The space in the middle, you have to adjust it according to the width of your popsicle stick, so that you can put it in nicely. Triangulars for these Christmas decorations. So we're gonna just cut one part of it. I'm gonna stick it on top. So we're going to take a thermocol sheet and we're gonna put our Christmas tree in the middle. And then we're gonna decorate this by keeping a few gifts which I made as a DIY. And we're gonna put these stars. This is the final look of our Christmas tree, and it turned out even better than I thought. And I'm just placing a candle on top of the flowers. It's really beautiful.
And this is gift.
And these are the gifts we made, and we just put it. And this is a craft we made it just a few days ago. It's uploaded.
And
You
this
can
is
watch that also.
pretty Christmas tree.
It's really girly. Cookies are really great. Room decoration. Definitely room decoration.
Yeah, definitely.
Guys, I cut out a ring out of cardboard and
And
I'm gonna wrap it in aluminium foil. I'm gonna teach you how to make these balls. So first we're gonna cut newspaper. I'm gonna make a ball out of that, like that. And then I'm gonna cut a piece of aluminium foil. I'm gonna wrap that. And we make tons of them. Don't worry of the unfinishing, like it's not proper. So yeah, don't care, it will be hidden. And I took this Christmas decoration and we're gonna use this for the day. Let's get started. So we're gonna wrap this around our wreath by using a little bit of super glue or hot glue gun. So guys, don't worry about the unfinished, it will be covered up. We are gonna be now adding our jewel which we use for our last craft to make our hanging, like a support to hang this. Like so. And it's ready to hang. Now we're gonna put on our Christmas decoration. When you reach the part where you have the jewel, just use super glue and stick it on tightly. Steps to stick the balls which we made. We're going to use super glue over here to make it really strong. You can even use hot glue gun. We're done making, like we're done putting balls all around in the gaps, and now we're gonna stick our bow. You could obviously buy one bow if you need to, but I thought I'd make it at home. And I'm gonna stick a gem in the middle. So guys, this is our Christmas crafts are ready, and this is our little old jewel Christmas tree.
pink decoration.
And these are all pink girly decorations. Sorry. And this is our Christmas wreath. I'll just pick it up and show you guys. So guys, you can use any box that you want to reuse.
And again, this is my favorite thing.
You're gonna cover it in aluminium foil. We took some sticks and we cut it according to the measure of the size of our container. It doesn't matter if it becomes a little big or small.
So
We're gonna put a rubber band around it. And then we are gonna put in the twigs. We are done with putting our sticks, arranging our sticks, and we're done. And it's okay if the sizes are uneven, it makes it even more beautiful. Guys, now we're going to keep this rubber band on, and we're going to take our acrylic paint. We are using silver over here, and we are going to, and we made it by putting silver acrylic powder with our binder 28.
And this is base brush.
And then I used a brush which we don't use. And now we're going to like do a little spray painting on this. If you want this in more detail, I also made a video on it. And we have used this acrylic powder and medium 2 over here. Yeah.
Sorry.
And this is the effect which came. Now we're not going to remove the rubber band, and we're going to add our jute, which is Watson jute, and we're going to put our jute on top of that. What flower you want, we are using these type of roses, and as we're done tying our jute, and well, as you say, jute is cute. Anyway, so we are going to be putting these type of flowers. You can take any type of flower you want. So guys, I'm putting it like that. You can take any type of flower and you can choose any type of foundation. And you can put candle over here. Decoration according to yourself. You can add even more things if you want. You can add gems and stuff. And now we're gonna add a little candle. We're using a tea candle over here. And we're gonna light it up and then so. And the craft is ready. Let's just close the lights and see how it looks. So guys, our craft is ready and it's really beautiful.
This is only branches.
And this is really affordable. We only used branches, and then the decoration could be according to you. And this is how it looks when the light is off. It gives a really nice look. And I love the way it comes out. It's like so natural, and I love nature, so it turns out to be really natural. So I love the look.